Greetings, my go-to beauties. I'm coming to you with a short video on how to book. So once you arrive to the booking calendar, you'll select from three of the options available, which is Google, Facebook, or your Setmore account to be able to log in and book your appointment. Once you have successfully logged in, you'll then be able to see all of the options, time, and date. You'll click on the drop down arrow next to the service that you'd like to book for. For some services, you'll have to scroll thoroughly all the way through to be able to find what you are looking for. The services are not in alphabetical order, unfortunately, but hopefully I have enough services to be able to accommodate what you're looking for. I highly suggest to click on more, which is highlighted in blue, to get more information about a particular service. You can click on book after you have read about the service. You'll then have the option to be able to select one or more services depending on time slot. If you don't want to select any additional service, just hit skip. You'll then have to fill out your address details, phone number, and email. P.O. boxes are not acceptable. Please make sure that you read the booking policy prior to booking. It has a lot of good information in there. And make sure that you select yes, text, and email reminder. Once you come to the checkout page, you'll see $25 for a deposit, and you'll have three selections to choose from for making payment, which is PayPal, Venmo, debit, or credit card. On this example, I can't go any further into my PayPal. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Support at GOTOHAIRSTYLIST.com.